Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really handy little component for anyone working with microcontrollers like Arduino, ESP32, or Raspberry Pi Pico. What we have here is a pack of 5 4-key press film switch modules. These are essentially very simple, compact input devices. Think of them as a basic low-profile keypad. Instead of traditional buttons that stick up, these use a thin film with conductive layers. When you press one of the marked areas, it makes contact between the layers, completing a circuit. This signal can then be read by your microcontroller. The fact that you get 5 of these in one pack is great value. It means you have spares, where you can use them in multiple projects without needing to reorder. Each module typically has a small connector, often a ribbon cable or pins, that makes it easy to interface with your development board. Wiring them up is usually straightforward. You'll connect power, ground, and then one or more pins to the microcontroller's digital inputs, depending on how the module is designed. Some might use a matrix setup to save pins, but simple ones just have a pin per key. Why would someone choose one of these over individual buttons? Well, they are incredibly thin and lightweight, making them ideal for projects where space is limited or you want a very flat interface. They can be easily mounted behind a panel or integrated into a custom enclosure. While they don't offer the tactile feedback of a mechanical button, they provide a reliable digital input signal. These modules are perfect for simple user interfaces. Imagine building a basic control panel for a robot, a simple menu navigation system for an LCD screen, or even a rudimentary game controller. With 4 keys, you have enough inputs for directional controls, selecting options, or triggering different functions. Working with them in code is also quite simple. You typically set up the connected microcontroller pins as inputs, often using pull-up or pull-down resistors, either external or internal to the microcontroller, to ensure a stable reading when the button isn't pressed. Then, you just read the state of the pin. When the button is pressed, the state changes and your code can react accordingly. One thing to keep in mind is their durability compared to robust mechanical switches. Being film-based, they might not withstand millions of presses or harsh environments, as well as some other types of buttons. However, for hobbyist projects, educational purposes, or applications where they aren't subjected to constant heavy use, they are more than adequate and offer a very clean look. Overall, these 4-key press film switch modules are a fantastic, inexpensive way to add simple input capabilities to your microcontroller projects. Getting 5 in a pack makes them even more appealing for makers who often have multiple ideas on the go. They are easy to integrate, require minimal space, and provide a reliable digital signal for your code to work with. If you're looking for a compact and simple button solution, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.